Number 5, work for money. Now, this point is a very, very controversial point because many of you think that money ought to work for you. But you can't have money work for you until you first work for money. So I say get paid and make sure that what you have is a job and not a charity. So at some point, whatever it is you are doing, you may be the best worker. But after some time, man, you've got to be paid. You've got to find a way to have some financial value for that work you're doing. And at the point you are working for that money, you follow the money, not really your passion. You see what I wrote there? Follow money, not your passion yet, or not your passion alone. Many of you are easily distracted by even your own passion. You are moving too slow because all that you follow is you follow your passion. Anywhere you don't see your passion, you don't go to. That's a problem. But now you know from the first class that you can still follow your passion while you are doing a job that you hate. Does that make any sense? If you are doing a job that is beneath you, or you're doing a job that you hate for a passion that you love, you are still working for your passion. Does that make any sense? When you work for money, you are building blocks. And in many cases, you're actually working for the now. You may not have enough money to save to buy a house tomorrow. Your goal is to sustain yourself for now. You know, if you cannot pay your bills, it's hard to think. Do you agree with me? So you need to have enough money coming in to buy breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and maybe sometimes only dinner. But enough food for you to think about 20 years from now. So the money you are earning in this season, in this phase of working for money, is majorly a building block. So I'm saying that in this process, you are building your worth, even if you are paid less. They may pay you less than your worth, but you should invest in your worth. And the best way to invest in your worth is to keep the vision and the future in view. And know that whatever this is simply a building block. So insult me now. Pay me less now. It doesn't matter. It's a building block. I just need your money to eat today. I just need to go home to a place that I call my own. While I'm there, your money will pay for it while I'm thinking about my own house tomorrow. And the way to make it easy on this journey is that you always put people and results over money. Even though you are working for money, the thing that keeps you going is that you place the value for people and the value for the result that you are achieving over the money you are earning. Because it's these two factors that will open uncommon doors for you. People, results over money. Write it down.